start again. It's a rich thing.
I'm just going to moisturize my face with the help of my Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiant Cream. And after that I'm just going to apply my Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. After that I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with the help of my Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil. So to make my eyebrows more sharp, I'm just going to apply this concealer. My Maybelline Fit Me फाउंडेशन in the shade Warm Nude 128. इसको मैं इस तरीके से डॉट डॉट करके अपने पूरे फेस पे अप्लाई कर लूँगी. And I'm just going to blend it with the help of this brush. So to remove any harsh line, I'm just going to blend it with the help of this sponge as well. Then after that, I'm just going to apply this concealer under my eyelid area. And just going to apply it on my T-zone just to highlight my T. So then after that, I'm just going to contour my face. Okay, so now then with the help of this palette, I'm just going to apply this coral, this shade as a blusher, but I'm just going to apply, a tint of this shade. Eye makeup, first of all, I'm just going to pick this dark brown shade and इसको मैं अपनी eyes की, outer V पे apply करूँगी. Okay, so then after that I'm just going to pick this black shade and इस black shade को मैं अपनी eyes की outer V पे apply करते हुए अपनी eyes की inner V पे लेके जाऊंगी इस तरीके से. Okay, so for a smoky effect you first need to apply eyeshadows. Otherwise अगर आप directly काजल apply करेंगे तो वो smudge होने के बाद बिल्कुल भी अच्छा look नहीं देगा. So okay, so then after that I'm just going to apply kajal. ओके सो ये इम्परफेक्ट तरीके से मैंने इसलिए लगाया है बिकॉज वी नीड टू स्मज इट. इसको हम इस ब्रश की मदद से अच्छे से स्मज करेंगे पहले. after that I'm just going to apply this eyelash glue because I'm going to apply false lashes, so इसकी वजह से ये इस पे अच्छे से stick करती हैं, तो I'm just going to apply this eyelash glue first. Okay, so then after that I'm just going to apply my liner. I'm just going to highlight my forehead and my nose.